and just to talk, say, like, say, what you talk correct.
Okay, thank you very much. So, bros, when I come, they go, it can't be like, say, my mind could tell me, say, carry this speaking follow body. If you come back, you know, if you come me this, if you be say, you know, me this woman, because she don't tell me, say, I no go follow and go that house. You understand? So, you know what you call Apple, bro? They come tell her, say, me she bring her passport, come, make they give her house. Bros, that passport come lost. She no come see the passport. Now, tell me, continue, say, bros, this woman, now my house, she don't go. They no give her house. I want to ask her, say, make it show na apartment where she dey stay. That woman is she need to that she's supposed to dey stay her own personal apartment for France. Now, all her mates where they gotta give them document, the day lava, some don't most of them don't stay their apartment where they give them. You get one girl they call boss gift for TikTok here. That girl they stay her own apartment now. I know the time they take give her that apartment. You understand? So when I can't come back after I reach house exactly around 8. You understand? As I open door, bros, I come meet house, they empty. Melody room empty. Our room empty. To God who made me. If I lie for this woman, bros, make this night bear me witness. You understand? I no lie for this woman, bros. I met everything empty.
May you not they swear. Me believe you 100%.
Wait now. No vex.
At night we did.
I carry my phone.
Swear.
I carry my phone.
Go with you.
No, bros, you know why they do? You know why they do?
No, not they swear, bro. Not they swear.
Abemona, let me talk. No vex. Abemona, let me talk. I understand. Thank you very much, auntie. You know why?
Leave her and they swear now, na swear.
No, I
go on, my brother.
Anything I talk, now truth and nothing but the truth. But I believe say if she lie against me, may the spirit of this night follow her. If no be truth, I dey talk. That's why I dey do am. I will never lie against her. I called her instantly. I say, Madam Alpha, what's going on in the house? You understand? Now the last part of the talk show. You understand? So what's going on? You know what she tell me? I know if you talk now. You know what it go happen? To God, bros, this phone was on loudspeaker. Now I make Melody hear this word. Where did they carry this matter for air till today? God bear me weakness. I put this phone on speaker. Make I tell you why I do am. I purposely do am put am for speaker. Make it hear from my mama. If now what you now want to know be that. I not tell Melody anything. I purposely put am for speaker.
How many years they picking themselves?
Now 7 years.
But it did too small for all this thing when they do, honestly.
Bro, not lie. Bro, if you say
bros,
wait, if you say too small, ask this woman, say where police interview Melody for police. When they interview, what till she talk? Bros, will not be children now. But they ask the woman, Melody defend. Yes, now. Melody, they come up for where I did, they go stay with our social. She'll come up for house. Melody, they go school by herself for here, so you go come back. 7 years where you they say too small. Melody, they come up for house for here. You go meet our social for their office. Go there with them for their office. They go they teach her everything. She go do finish. She go come back house. She go play with them, speak with them, talk to them. And you they tell me say still too small. I mean, you want me my social for here talk to you about Melody?
No,
you ask her.
You don't understand that one. Continue, bro. When you understand, no worry.
So why I tell you? I call this woman that very day. I put the phone on speaker. You know what she tell me? Say, I beg go. What's it go there now? May you carry this Melody go. May me I don't carry those two children go. To God who made me, my Father in heaven, and my see. I go talk see the way it happen and so it be. He say, may me stay with Melody. May she stay with the other two. Say don't over between us. Everybody don't part their ways. Bros, you know what it happen? Without hesitation that night, I had no other option. I go out. I call my friend for Saturday. I tell her, say, I need taxi right now. Bros, because as I call that woman for lava, now the woman tell me, say, bros, no go meet those police. So that woman won't put you for problem. They'll collect that picking for your hand. It go put you for problem. Now, what thing made me come up for France, bros? That period, I be this. You understand? I call Tazi, bros. Tazi call carry me. Go lava. I lodge hotel for lava. The next morning, I tap.
Okay, wait, bro. Sorry. May we get that place clear. I don't get wait, no verse. No, if I don't get that, I don't hear that place where. Yeah. Where you they come from? When she for tell you may you carry explain, I tell you may carry Melody. I don't hear that part where.
When I reach out in the evening, I open door, I come and say naughty day house. I get video. Nikki Billion. I sent the video of the house given. My social
Okay, where you they come from? Where you and Melody go somewhere?
I go collect my passport, my ballot.
Okay, you and your baby.
Yes, me and my baby now gotta go.
Okay.
Gotta follow body. I know the lie put. I know. Say, bros, I know kidnap. Now my picking. Now my name is.
Of course, I tell them today. If you listen to me, you hear me when I tell them.
Yeah.
Go on.
So inside the matter now, when I come back, come meet house empty. When I call the woman, I see the decision she made, bros, without hesitation, because I don't feel sleep for the house again. That key of that house, it day with me till today. Now me throw away on free cent. I throw away the key. Because I don't feel sleep for the house, nothing did the house again. She pack everything, both my clothes, everything she pack go. Now what we wear? As I take taxi go Laval, I lodge hotel for Laval. For Laval, I enter fast train. I go Paris the next morning. I take train. I come up for France. Because when I call the woman say she don't go put me for problem. And I don't do anything against you. I don't plan any evil against you. If you now watch everything when I explain for this Mama Twist platform and here, I don't do anything evil against you. Man, whether they beat you from Italy to France, you still there with the man. From January to March, when you take wrong, leave the man. March 17, now this matter happen where we take split our way. You understand? When I take come Germany, as I come Germany, bros, that video I show to government for this country. My sister get that video of that house. As I talk to you, you don't know why that woman the verse say this speaking go nowhere. My social get the video of that house. Government for this country get that video. A lot of evidence there when I don't even show them say, but I just show them the video. See, bros, the carry Melody go one side. The interview Melody different from me. This German, my social go tell you. This Melody, bros, you know why they free to leave Melody for my social? Then they can't carry Melody, they'll carry and go outside, bro, with car. I'm not afraid because I know, say, I know fox anything put for a mouth. The child is still with me till today. Today, social can't go carry and come out. Yeah, we try to tell you. So, bros, that's why I take come out. I come Germany. I enter the asylum process. God do one today. I get my documents. My picking.
So Eko, if I get you right now, she use you chop Aduro for France. You use her chop Aduro for Germany. Nice.
I don't use that chop Aduro for Germany, bro. Because she not follow me call here. Person when no day I want to use and chop Aduro for Germany.
Bro, not confusing. According to him. Now wait, he just showed them the video when you say leave that place. So we'll leave that one.
Because now evidence when I get say see what because they ask me about the Peking. How come about the Peking deal with me? Now show them proof. This is what happened.
Because that one get that the proof now made the baby do if not for beyond that since someone not drag her now I beg.
They come ask me say where the Peking birth certificate. I show them everything. Bros, we can't start to they can't calculate the Peking years.
But wait, Eko, wait. How you take carry the certificate first come up for us, go just go carry passport?
Which certificate be that?
The baby
You said they
certificate.
ask you, I beg, mute, boy, wait. I beg. You said they ask you, say, where the Peking certificate, you can't show them. But you first carry certificate, come up for house, go collect passport. Because you say when you come back, as nothing they has again. So where you see the best certificate?
Bros, my file, bro, my file. Everything where she pack go, she leave my file. Nothing there as bro. My file, now she really, because she definitely knows say she no go fit carry the file.
Okay, she leave your file. Wait. And then wait. She leave your file for her. She pack everything, including your clothes, but she leave your file. Now wait, listen to this. That's your file. How many of your baby certificate they inside?
All my children certificate they inside.
So as we speak right now, all your children certificate they with you.
Plus they with me. All of them from A to Z. Birth certificate, all of them.
Okay, swag, wait, I beg, wait. Swag, wait. Swag, wait, I beg, wait. Wait, I beg, wait. Mona, wait. I think, see what I talk now, I say, I think, I'm not saying this is how it happens. I think, say, if that woman pack all your clothes, the woman for carry your file. So why did she leave your file?
Wait, make I tell you how the fight here happen, bro. You see that file, Now something where we see, bros, any of my children where we born, I dey always dey get their original birth certificate. Na me dey deal with. The photocopy na dey deal with am. You see that file, bro, that file, why she no carry that file? Because she definitely know say important, she no even, bros, her brain no go that file say important things dey inside. Because now file wey be say my document from Italy, you dey see am so, na there all my documents when I come Europe dey dey. I wetin go give am that impression to carry that file? No, nothing now. She no go fit, bro. Me wey tell you say video dey for house, you call the thing. I no fit dey lie for you, bro.
Wait, make I make daddy understand am.
You say because of say she pack things comot for house, I call lie say I carry my file follow body.
Make I make daddy understand am. First of all, she no go fit carry the file.
No,
Because she no get wetin she wan use the file do.
yes.
The file sef, if e carry am sef, fit even come complicate things for her.
That place, we understand that place.
So e no possible.
So that place,
bro,
we
when I
understand that.
come
She not
Germany-
carry that file.
Yes, when I come Germany, bros, I know they lie for now. If I not get evidence for the video of the house, that one a different case, you feel me? That make my social diverse today, you feel me? So they asked me whether I gave me the birth certificate. I said yes, I gave the name. I showed them. They said, what about Jasmine own? I showed them. They said, the same papa, that the same name, my name, the two they bear. They said, what of Jailer own? I bring Jailer own come outside. They said, the same name. They say where the pictures where you and your woman they do everything for Italy. I show them. They see all the evidence where they ask me, I give them, bro.
So what you content I said now say make the person when you show them picture of how you take do marriage with your certificate of marriage and everything. What you content and say make the person not there with you.
I tell them, bros, what Apu I talk for you now? Tell them, say I come as.
Okay, then I said before you come back from where you go, you not meet them again with the other children.
Bro, I don't like against them, bro. I know they bros. I don't do bad, bro. I know they do bad against them because say she do me bad.
I know. I know they say you do bad. Listen. Arrow, man, I wait. More than patient. More than leave me and I'm a beg. If you not feel do, I'm a beg. Echo, see why they ask you. It's not because I don't believe you.
No, I understand.
I want the people where they listen to you, make them fit understand what you they talk. So now why they answer these questions? Now listen to this. I already tell them in the afternoon say no police where they will go when we collect picking for your hand, give the woman. It is not possible because you are married to the woman legally. So you have as much right as she has for the children. You feel if she says she want to go soon, you also feel go soon and say you want the other ones to. And nobody will tell her. The government might even tell her, make she come meet you, family reunion. As far as you never get document, because now you go work to pay tax. So people should understand this. If they want even come look out somehow, as long as say you not get bad record with the children, a criminal record, now you self suppose even they take care of them in a way once you are working and once you're capable. So let's get this facts clear. But I won't make them understand what you do and why they ask you these questions. Not because I don't believe you.
Baba, you know, I dey talk, maybe give me this other side again, bro. You know why I dey talk this thing, bros? I don't talk, I don't round up finish, you understand? I want just quick tripping this one, bro. You see, when I come this country, bro, I don't feel like you way open for me. Things begin to open for my life. But I don't want any situation.
Now my network.
You be like saying they get call.
You hear me, so?
Yeah, would they hear you?
My network, sorry, now my network. So I don't want any situation whereby, yeah, I don't want anything from this woman. Honestly, truth, might just say the truth, bros. For this country, when I did, now single man I am single. I did my documents. I'm not married. You feel me? Yes, that they asked me, what do I want? The government asked me, do you still want her? I told them no, I don't want anymore.
No, you cannot be single without divorce anyways. You are still married. But you are,
just telling you,
maybe you
yes,
go down that separate.
Yes, I'm just telling you that because me, I know they hide me.
Yeah, you did now with your pikin as single father, just as she there as single for that country. But that no, you are still married until your divorce.
Now single, they write for my documents, single man. I'm not married, bros. Anything that has to do with divorce will be between me and her. That's why I dey tell am, I me beggar. My lawyer don't prepare divorce paper. I go find way when I want to send and give her. Make she sign. Make everybody part their ways. If she want to be seeing the child, I want to talk. I'm gonna listen. If she want to see the child, I will definitely. I don't buy now 2 phones and 1 tablet. I buy now. The day road they come. You understand? Even my new iPhone, the day road they come. Feel me? So because I won't buy phone for the pikin. If you want to talk to our pikin, I don't say I have no problem with you. You can call your child.
Now what we say? Now what we want do now? Now may you finally judge. May you finally judge your mind. May you for do that one.
I want you to get on for me, bros, because you know why? I don't want any problem. I don't want any problem. So I be bad person. I agree and I accept. Let's leave the rest for God. She don't talk, me don't talk. You understand? So I believe say when I go wait till we don't talk now. More and I want to talk because this one not be say she won't call the come they explain again. Or me go explain. No, this one we need to end this matter.
No, we don't want to explain. We are going to find this is what we're going to do. We want to find.
What you mean they talk
no, you
about?
go tell us what you will do, but may you just may you explain, may you listen.
I just
you know even get out to tell what you will do.
No, not be you. I know they tell you what you do, bros. I just they talk my side, like what I want for myself. Just like
you don't want what do you want? You don't want her again, Abi?
No, yes, I can't wait, bros. I don't need anything that has to do with her anymore. You feel me?
But see one thing where you need to know, bros. There is no way in life. There is only one way when you don't get it to do with that woman again. You'll be reincarnated. You know the meaning of reincarnated? That's your man need to get listen. May you listen first. See what you say you don't want anything to do with her again.
No, if I mean anything to do with her.
My guy, calm down.
You fit wait, may you even hear me. Another problem when you get be say you know they listen, even as you talk for too long.
No,
also listen to the people will talk for a short time.
No, calm down. Calm down,
make you hear wetin I dey talk first.
Bros, Daddy, you mistake my word. I mean, people won't tell you say anything to do with that.
Yes, I hear wetin you talk, but you self wait when you hear wetin I wan finish. Make I even make the statement. Not be just to let you know to everybody whenever get anything to do with man or woman to the extent of having children with the person. There is nothing you can do not to have anything to do with that person again unless you are reincarnated. That's unless your papa now, your mama get your belly and give it and reborn you, may you start afresh. Aside that, you will forever have something to do with anybody when you don't give your seed to for inside her womb. The person can't really agree to use her womb, carry that your seed, come born her for you. You and this woman are tied forever. Even if you remarry another woman and she remarries another man, you are both tied forever. Now, why people like us now, we find a safe space for una. How una go fit do this thing without fighting anymore. Now what we will try do for now. And for us to be able to do this, you need to cooperate. She also needs to cooperate. And now why you see say today I vex when those two may they say, may they go bring police, may they go bring police. Police no go solve them. We'll try find a space for two of una. You understand? That is because some of us care about the children. You understand? For me, una two not really matter. You understand? But we're going to find a safe space for the children. You understand? Where those two children will feed, they talk, even as they different place. Then any person when they in a better space, feel even collect the other children at the end of the day later in future, but not now. We will find how to follow and talk this thing, but we need cooperation from you, mostly you, because you are the man. Sometimes, my brother, a man has to sacrifice for the sake of his family because you already have that spirit of sacrificing.
Daddy, sorry.
I don't see how your body, but you feel say you feel compromise later. You will come to that.
You know, say me, you want make you want anything to do with the woman. Now for the co-parenting, he is trying to say.
Wait, I beg, bros. I know na money I keep for your mouth, no vex, bro. You see that word sacrificing, bro. I will never in my life be in a position of sacrificial lamb anymore to anyone.
I know, I mean for your children, not for the woman. I'm talking about the children. You have three, bro. I mean, you don't only choose one out of three. Yes. The three are still the same.
For my children, no, sorry to say this, for my children and for the woman, I will never be a sacrificial lamb to anyone again, except for myself. I've been doing it since I left this woman, bro. If you listen to what I tell you, I don't sacrifice from 2016. They pursue her for camp. She come my camp. They pursue me for camp. We go Austria. Madam, I know they tell me see your girl listing. Now me dey into this scene. You don't know what I don't. If you know what I don't explain for Mama Twist platform before we call you, now we just call you begin the carry matter from
calm down.
No, leave comment section. Leave comment section. We understand you. We understand you. Go on.
Daddy, you know why me they talk on me, bro?
They should not be telling why they say she carry one or not be papa.
No, leave waiting people talk. Leave waiting people talk. It's nothing wrong with the pikin.
Just leave down.
No, wrong with the pikin. So leave it.
Daddy, you know why I made it talk this one? Because you don't tell when they sacrifice the come. If when I watch my talk when I talk since they come, the thing from Mommy Twins platform. Change the game so.
See, Echo. Yesterday, somebody that know you for Italy. He called me. He say even if them say they shout now and you stubborn, listen to what the person tell me. He say all the time when he see you, say now only you the hustle. You always keep that wife. Say when they say man marry wife, you are that man that marry wife. Somebody when know you call me yesterday. You understand?
Not be
He
the
say,
same thing Matete talk yesterday.
yes, just leave. Not be even Matete. Oh, Omobo. The person when know for Italy say all the time apart from say go church and come back. When they say person, he say but whether they post some, he don't know. But when they say person really marry wife, when they say the wife no they do anything, the man will bring everything to them. The person even tell me say what even the pay this guy cause say to spend on the woman. That's what the person tell me allegedly, but the person don't know whether he they pay them. From what the person tell me yesterday, because me I know sabi lie. He said when they say man they take care of woman for the city where they stay, I'm not mentioning the guy's name. He know you very well. He say for the city when una stay, say that they say man they take care of woman. But whether una come they fight for inside house, that one you no fit tell. Say the woman when they see him, they go church, and when they see him, they come up for church. You know they use hand touch anything. Now only you they work, they bring everything. That's what the guy told me. He also told me the kind of work where you they do, but that's by the way. Go on. So that you know, say I don't know small thing, even when I never really know you. You understand?
Echo make I not stop this one because from Mommy Twins part they call go reach here. You always mention one thing. Say if she say she one day in the life of the children, say you no get problem, which me I mark. And if you really dey sincere with that word where you talk, and me I go say no na to allow things work. You get? I know they say more na to come back because coming back together can never work. You get, but in terms of say co-parenting, I think there is still get it can still work in terms of that co-parenting, which is in as much as say she want to try get in touch with the pikin wey dey with you. You yourself fit still dey use that opportunity to get in touch with the pikin wey dey with her. You dey see am so na there. Yeah, I dey with you.
That's what I beg, no vex. You know, say man will marry woman, I believe say you will know the kind of woman when you marry, no vex. I believe say, I never begin to call men for beggar-mo. Not be say my men or men when know me, bro. I say men wey dey beggar-mo. If you be say na the guy na Benin guy, they call him B and T. He get bar. Now only he get bar as an African man for beggar-mo. May they call that man, ask him say, how much you don't chop for Murphy hand? That guy see me for my platform yesterday, send me a number. I go send out for you, Zaddy. May you come B and T. Mommy Twins, you go call this man a Benin man. Mona ask and say, how much do they chop for this guy hand every month? What did they bring low call for your wife? B and T see me for platform yesterday.
See, Echo, I get you. But the truth be say, me I for tell you, say, may you know they go back to the things where you don't sacrifice.
Doctor, wait. You know, Daddy ask question. He say the guy say if you be say, bros, if I tell you say I spend on this woman, I'm not just joking, bro. The woman came out and start lying to people that I didn't do anything for her. Bros, I spend on the woman.
I did it when she talk but that's see, Echo align on that. See, listen. Just as you talk to us now, we hear you. That's what the woman talk to us yesterday. We hear them. It does not miss everything when she talk. All of us now, even if all of us when we there, we know we conclude say everything when that woman talk is the truth. We not say everything when you talk no will just be 100% truth. We not be children, we know. Not your worry that when she talk. Let's make a space for your children.
They talk. Now what you say that guy call you say you know
yeah, somebody tell me say you try for that one, but you don't know what they put for inside room. But for the ones when you see, you try.
Let me tell you why I'm angry. I bet first of all, I never see man who will take care of woman. At the end of the day, woman, you don't reach your turn to help the man. You mix the man up. You lied against the man. You did.
Yeah, but you don't go put them for your children body now. We understand, but you don't go put them for the children body.
That not be my children. Sadly, not be my children. They talk so. Let's come to reality. You understand? I'm talking about reality here. You understand? You did.
No, your children with the consign now. You leave leave that one. We they talk about safe space for your children now. No, we hear you.
My children, I go talk good outside, bro. Swear hear me first, bro. I be see, although say I be man, get feelings, bro. Now my money I spend, now my sweat I take work on, bro. She wasted my You understand? She wasted of my time for nothing. Not because of the love, but I touched the way I was there for her. That was the way she was supposed to be there for me last time. Why you think say God give me document for Jenny? Bros, we not the
what did she do? You make God give you document.
Daddy, have you talked to this man?
Oh, but Baba don't let person talk to Rabu. Talk to Rabu.
Talk to me. Last one before everybody will call they talk to me, bros. No best again, bros. Baba, I beg, no this last one, bros. I beg, wait. You see that children when you talking, bros? You see that children when you talking. You know why I don't want to involve myself for these children, eh? Bros, if you say calling those children, I beg, wait, bro. If you say calling those children, calling those children, talking to these children, she calling this one, I have no problem, bros. But one thing I want to promise everyone. I will never give that woman my dime in anything, any way in life anymore. Let her go and hustle for her money. If I have a child, I'll go do shopping for my children. But you say my money, giving it to that woman, will never in my life, because I already know what she do. I can't take that risk anymore. You understand? So, and secondly, why she want to talk to Melody? When I go see her with time, she want to put through Melody till they enter my body. You understand? So waiting me they pray, they tell everybody now, say, if you see me with woman, no jealous. If you like, go date any, and my friend say, go sleep with her, you don't consign me. Go marry any woman of your choice. That one not my business. But if you see me with woman, no jealous. I beg. That one I want me everybody just. I need that.
Wait, Echo. Drip. Same thing with me. Drip, are you the woman?
No, ain't just a talk you like
No, maybe we know whether him. Because if he be saying that she use fake accounts, come on.
Okay.
Drip. Okay, no, go on. He said not be him.
Okay.
But Echo, if I get what you just talk right now, so that all of us go know where we talk with. We are talk. If we make us yes. So maybe try get what you did try talk now. That is if I get you clear. If I get you wrong, you let me know. So that sacrifice part where you dey talk say you no really want get, you no really want do, you no want make that woman chop your money. So it boils down to the fact say you no want to get anything to do with that pikin wey dey with her. Why you no get anything to do with pikin? Why she no get anything to do with pikin wey dey with you? You know why they talk am?
Not be so you talk now.
Don't be so talk.
Mona, let her ask him. He got answer for himself now. Come on, guys.
Mona, wait now, because
Let him ask him. He go answer for himself. I beg.
Echo wait.
If I say not be so, you don't suppose to say you go rest for the matter. Not be so I talk on. Listen, man, I tell you. I say wait now. You go listen. Make you hear again. I go talk on, bros. I say I will never sacrifice for the woman again, not my children. I go come to take care of my children. If they need anything, I will buy it for them. You feel me? Now, I go order around for them. If not shopping, I go come around. I'll go do one for them. You feel me? I don't get any issues for France.
No, for your own good. I'm not just saying you need to go France again.
Thank you, exactly.
And now if you enter France, now the feel you go based on what's if the grant.
Bros, no, I don't get issues with France government, bros. No, bros, I don't get issues with government. You know they understand me. I don't commit crime. Why you want owe me? I don't commit crime. I don't do anything.
Bros,
I go.
Bros, I
I don't commit crime. So what do me they try to tell you now? So now be say, bros, I beg, I beg. Before I go fit say, I want to make this thing work now, bros. I'm not no lie for me. I'm not this stubborn. I need time. I need time to get out. To think well. If it's something I want or something I don't want. I need time because I'm the father here. Understand? Because I've been into shoes that no one can put their legs. And by the grace of God, I took my leg off. I know the pain that was in there. So I don't want any situation whereby I will find myself again giving that woman money when I know where they carry money they go put. You understand? So I'm not fit.
Who say may you give the woman money now? You don't talk. Let other people
Bless.
talk.
Bless. This is your comment. I would advise you to stop it. If not, my moderator.
I'm not mute down. I'm not mute.
I don't tell you before say. I don't take this comment. Pikin not be for where Mona wait Mona not verse. For that you see Zaddy. For where I dey, pikin not be woman own. Woman not get right to any pikin. In case just listen now, listen carefully. Una fit go to do that one for where una for the craze for women platform. For where's that the day? Anywhere where you see me, woman not get right to any picking. So if una get that na dirty mindset when they do for France, who single mothers, they say now una get picking, una not get right to any picking. Listen carefully. You understand? Because that mindset, now you not take part on that time when I say why they listen to the way they work, they say picking, you're picking. But I go police say you're picking the loss. Like say na only woman they born picking, but una go wake up and I go say na man turn to single mother. But when it come to picking, now una picking. So how man went turn to single mother, nobody can get picking. This is very see una double standard single and why they collect people husband. Where I bet mommy too is where that girl.
That ever, I don't.
I don't know. Now tomorrow we'll talk about that one. But when I follow this account, I can go live tomorrow.
I better tell you, mommy twins.
The girl,
Yeah, they'll follow you. They'll follow you. When I follow them,
no
3D for
go
tomorrow.
drag person. We don't know one, don't know two person.
I caught the girl. Now tomorrow we'll talk that one.
Oh, leave that one first.
Okay. If I say something, bro, yeah.
I bet when I follow this my account.
Echo my
I
brother.
don't know who they
Tell you
tell
something.
they say.
Son of God, don't
Na
worry.
only
They
woman
don't block
fika,
my
but
Abeg,
when they carry pikin they run. Una not they
abeg,
talk say they
wait, I dey
commit
come.
they commit
Not my
crime.
bad.
just-
One thing I'm
Who
after, bro.
tell you say papa carry pikin na crime he commit? No, come quote law. No, law una no know.
I bet.
Razak, get what I want
tell
for
her
yeah.
something.
I want
Wait
to
a bit,
something.
Hero boy. Echo. You see one thing where I would like to tell you. You don't try since morning. And I believe say don't be even since morning. Since day before yesterday, I never even hear from you. Or
The nurses for how many days?
we never even hear from you since day before yesterday when we don't dey talk on your behalf. The only word where I take for that woman na him be when Jobes ask and say, Madam, since all this while wey you don't take day with this guy, he get anything where you dey feel say the guy don't do you, where you don't do the guy, any wrong where you feel say you don't do the guy? She say nothing. She never do anything. That word ring for my ear because now
She never even mention say she don't call police for Ramo.
She was so innocent that yesterday. She was like a Jamaican girl when they commit crime.
Wait, Omobo, wait. She said nothing. That word he ring for my ear. Say you deal with man for 8 years. You never do nothing. And the man they do everything. And the man they do everything. And the man they do everything. Any person will tell you that kind of thing. You know, say that person a liar. Then I came in. We begin the battle round with her. We never even know you. So waiting that they try to talk, we say, outside where you can't come out on your day on your which that they call them platform and every other thing. I already don't figure out something for you. It don't reach the time where you yourself go to enter house, rest. We understand your position now. Say pains dey your body. You talk one thing today, you say she make you face depression. Of which women know they like to think that one when it comes to man. They not feel say man feel face depression. Like for their mind, man are high on. But if to say a woman they talk like this since yesterday, they go don't listen to them. They go don't listen to them. Understand say this man, if he dey under depression or if he dey under psychological problem, they go don't listen to him. They go don't help and find solution. They go don't straight the matter for your hand. They straight the color the man evil. But as you be so, nobody they think they go that side because if he say you be iron, you get one robot where they use you. My brother, enter house, calm your head down. You don't try. All the explanation where you don't give, men where really get sense go know how to take package and use and take work. This thing where it happen, so not feel say now to only you. Many people go still learn from this your situation. Me myself, I don't get something to still learn for this situation. Be say, wetin me I really understand. Say no ignore red flag one. Secondly, anything where you know say you no fit lose, not to spend them on anybody. I understand your state say you don't overspend for this person, but you don't overdate there for him. You don't do everything, but time reach where the man, where the woman go take date there for you, where you go take stand for you, she deny you of everything. That one waiting. Me I for myself I observe and I don't put that one say that's why they build they package your brain well, not just let to they lose everything for based on say na family. You don't try. Every other thing where you don't do, you try. Bros, enter house, calm yourself down, cool your head. Because the more you they talk, the more you divest, the more the thing they go on and on and on. May you not can go fall into deeper depression. Just calm your head down. Give yourself some time. Take care of that baby wey dey with you. If this woman wants, if time come, if you don't calm yourself down, if she be real woman, she go know how to go through am. If they push am make it go report, the only thing wey enter my head say you legally marry am, automatically na your pikin, you no steal that pikin. Anywhere where you carry that pikin pass, na your name dey there. You no show say you be thief or you thief your pikin. Now your pikin be this one. You are legally still married to that woman. Carry your pikin, take care of am in a good way. Our Benin people say which means the mouth of any parents, you know, if you can take by a pikin. Now your pikin be that one. You they safe and protected under your custody because now you be the biological father. You feel protected against any invasion or outsiders. So that one alone is good. But for you now, you need rest. You need absolute comportment. You see, you get where you can't talk. Reach now too much of this talk. It will come make you the lose and small. The lose and small. People they not go capitalize and say now all those stress you don't pass through now they disturb you so they don't capitalize, and mostly our women they know they think and say man they fall at depression or maybe man they get IT the day sometimes. They all believe say that man a bad man, a more killer, and so he just did. But for you now, time don't reach. Oga, go relax, keep your mind strong. Wait for any other, you know, don't waste all your tools where you go take fight for future. Reserve some, use some take fight now. Nah, so wise matter they do. The more you waste time, the more that they plan other strategy with them. You never do your since now. Police. Now even make me enter up. So if you hear what they talk, all those police
talk less before they record you. That brain,
you yourself talk less before they will go record you. Use all your other strategy. Keep them. Not use all your weapons finish. Keep some so that you go fit take fight the battles ahead. Because don't be here a ratio. You go face more battles. Keep some for yourself. Not waste all of them now. And that one I just thank everybody.
God bless you, man. I clap for you, man.
Ogazadi, I bet if you talk small before me, I'll come down.
Yes, I'm up, of course. I beg, wait.
You know, wait here. You know, wait. This is the reason why I say, may we hear from the guy. First of all, most you just come up now. So the guy they beat the picking. I go just sit down. I go come they cry. I go they say, why you doing this? Why you? I just when person just when he just told the child just sit down here just a reason. Then person where they beat the picking. And when you come they say if you can't see the picking, he don't lean. I went to check that his profile. I not see picking where he lean. You know they take care of the pikin where I not see pikin where they not they take care of where. You see something when marriage no work, it is very important. Come out and say your own wrong. Not be up, just put all the blames on one person head. Then everybody will just a batch on the bed. Our market now. People when they say go and report him, then the police, the Ogbas will just do this one. You have the right, report him. Hi, Bimuna. Sometimes, Mona remove that women supporting rubbish. When Matako try to look for the roots, na pikin, he not tifam. If he no knock the woman not go born the pikin. So me, I don't see anything wrong here. Yeah, bro. Matter don't sup, it don't sup. Like our brother talk. If you talk small, you reserve some. Trust me, anytime you bust out, not even reason the matter again. If you get another thing where you want to discuss for social media, you do it. Because now, all the will come carry record now, wait. May they see what they record. But the thing, take care of that your picking wear. Now you wear the shoe, now you know I hurt you. Me, I will not come and advise you now, say you must go. No, bro, sit down, oh. Wait, just
I'm on try say something to my mommy 3D. Because I don't make the restrict accounts.
No worry.
Try to.
Don't try for them. But both you and the woman, both that woman, Destiny. Mama,
you understand me?
If you not send something come for Canada, go now me go match your picture.
You understand me? Try, don't do what you will fit. Me, I will not force you because the marriage is not go to work. Do your thing. Take care of the child that is with you and take care of your mental health. Because if na woman now, emotional health will join her, mental health will join her. You are go and take care of your mental health and emotional health. Is very important for the sake of the child that is with you. You saw those nyama the thing, don't just see not the reason the comment section because some of them they are not mentally okay. You understand? So take care of yourself. It's very important. Relax your mind and take very good care of that your beautiful daughter. And God bless you.
Thank you very much, Amabo. Make I use your position. Yeah, go on, Aero Boss. I want to make everybody just stop put them so that we'll go sleep. Come here, I want to go back.
Yesterday. You see this thing yesterday. Many things when I don't pick for years is when the woman talk yesterday. The only thing when I felt talking. Now when is this guy the pepper boy? I don't want. Let me attack this guy. Say he need to be calm down and talk well. You just have to take calm down talk now. Everybody pick and we listen well. So when the woman they talk yesterday, she said so many things yesterday when really made me think. He said this guy never walk, and the motor and the house where they buy now because of one baby now they do all those things. And she also said that when she born, this guy not come meet her for hospital. I say reason that one. He said every time they beat her. One thing when I pick when una ask that yesterday, una ask say if they beat you right for that, but when you come see agree to do marriage with her, I still pick that word. That's why I say we need to ask her a question tomorrow. Many questions.
Ero.
So wait, calm down, bro.
I want to say something for you for WhatsApp. I want to say something for you for WhatsApp. I want make you do this thing now.
Don't worry now. Don't worry.
You get one part where you talk, bros, no verse, I beg, no verse. You see that part where you say, she say when she born, I know the hospital. Bros, meet me for WhatsApp. I want to send you my email. Open Snapchat, That Snapchat, bros. If you open them, put the email, forget password, I'll give you code. You say that day when this woman born, I did hospital, those videos they there. I won't send that for you for email. Make you show me.
Yeah, but you first still log in and save the videos now. Send that for me 3D.
See, Ero boy, not be so the girl talk. You know say the boy not come. He said the boy come. The next 2 days when he can't reach when they want to discharge them, now the boy not come take come go lodge for hotel. And now he get operation when she supposed to. They call this boy, make this boy come sign for. He get many things where this brother don't talk, when that was sister talk. Just the same way he get many things where this brother talk, when that was sister don't
talk. Now, of course, now say it will be mommy 3D now.
And also say no call police, and this bro say call police. And also when that even the waiting the bros talk just now for that ambulance, he even told now this bros now even give her that number we can call the ambulance when we say that when police can't take come. And this bros now the way to see talk wait bro. After everything, I go rewrite this thing again. I'll find out to send you for WhatsApp anywhere, bro.
Of course, so I hear. Not be say I don't hear, but because we don't dare where they settle people before, we know say, of course, that one will jump some parts. This one too will jump some parts. We know.
That one not know how to judge at all. Because you
know how to judge. Just I say if you don't talk for too long, but you still know how to judge.
No, even the boy don't talk and say the woman not be that kind of person where they talk. You don't understand.
Somebody when he tell me say the guy the child when he tell me say the woman not be of course.
And again, the two of them they at fault.
Now true, when she talk, I don't feel like you broke. I don't like this woman, but she not be that.
But wait, who bring the matter content? Who bring the matter content talk?
Nah, son of God bring her.
Now me bring her come, bros. Man tell you I tell happen. Man tell you, bros. I been no.
No tell us.
No need to tell us. If now you bring her come, it's okay. Since now you bring her come.
Me bring her come.
Son of God, you did talk about the divorce part. See, make I tell you something about divorce.
Who told divorce before? Now they talk.
No be until the two partners sign before then the divorce person. If you send her the paper, whether she like to sign now, whether she like to sign, she no sign no. You get years. I don't know if now 1 year anymore, or 2 years or 3. But get years where they go
they'll divorce you. They'll divorce
you even without our own consent. So no be until she sign anything. You don't need to beg her for anything signing. So far you send her the paper. Now
but the you want me the divorce? You want spoil marriage?
Make the divorce now. Why they won't marry before? I don't understand. This kind of marriage will work.
Zaddy,
I don't understand.
Waiting no work, my brother. Before person will go there.
Man of wisdom.
But why we say with the first solution, sort of they concentrate on how you want to scatter the marriage?
No, because you know why? Because I don't want me person go slice person for fridge tomorrow. Freezer go cost for market. They get.
You know say so I don't divorce 2 times.
No,
So he
this
want
are
the
that
strategy.
73. Why the common one?
Arrow,
See,
I go feel advice
Zaddy,
you. Okay.
just
Hmm.
hold on, Abenovest. Sad doctor. You see, let me just tell you the honest truth. The honest truth. These people, and I me don't talk to them for WhatsApp. Now me
I
don't
trust
do
you. Don't say I
give them
trust you.
truth.
You don't say anything when you
You see
talk.
these
Not
people.
true. For my side, anything when you talk, not truth.
I swear to God, I mean, so tell these people they talk to me, sleep carry me go. I don't even know some people they talk to me. I constantly they call me to come and say, Mama, you they sleep. I say, I be they call. You they get me. This boy so much love this girl till tomorrow. See this boy, he's deeply in love with that girl. When a man that loves you, forget say this guy not get reserve. He loves the woman still.
Between abeg Zaddy
Let her.
abeg.
Kobe, you still let her
No,
talk. If
Zaddy,
this
I
one,
no go like,
what if
no,
she
bros, I
talk?
no
No
go
go
like,
kill you. No go buy you
bros, I no go
now.
like all those things, bro. Bros,
Wait,
abeg, with due
No
respect,
worry, no worry. Just
due
let her
respect.
talk. You
oh
don't
yeah,
go do
oh
you
yeah,
anything
wait,
for
Mommy
wait.
Twins, I
body.
respect you so much. No,
Oh yeah,
Mommy Twins,
wait.
abeg, wait.
Oh yeah,
Abeg,
wait.
I respect you so much with God.
Oh yeah,
See, na God I
he
put,
don't
abeg.
do.
That, you
He
see that
don't do.
part, no dey talk am again, because
Okay, I
why?
know
If
talk
you get
again. He
brother,
don't do.
bros,
He
if
don't
you
do.
get brother, you know they understand what me dey tell you. See,
Oh
I
yeah, he
later
don't do.
realize, say, my family, from
But
the beginning of the process, bros,
Anything
Zaddy, no
when we
vex.
twist, anything
Zaddy,
when we
wait
twist,
now,
talk, no go
Zaddy,
add or
abeg, no
remove for your
vex.
body
Anything,
now.
bros, now una come me call here. I which I no respect una. Wanna see, make abeg any decision when I make they see the respect now for me. You
Oh
understand?
yeah, he don't do. He
Wanna
don't do.
look for something.
He
Where
don't
they
do.
give this woman document for France, eh? Where they give this
You
woman
don't
document
first
for
talk
France?
on that.
She
Oh
tell me
mama go
say,
sleep on that bye bye.
she wants sign, she won't give me divorce paper. That divorce paper, I need that now.
You wait, make
Eh,
me
but
say.
who they tell you? Echo, I beg, wait. Let my moderator
May
talk. I beg.
may
Nobody tell you, but you
you
not
see
divorce.
leave am make dey play. See am now. They tell who where should not be know where they pin am. Even if say we talk with you one talk, they go settle. Shebi they go settle. If they no go settle, shebi no work. You see, I met this our okay. May I not use this brother now? You see these people, eh? I see something that looks like connection. Yeah, you know, in a situation whereby the woman they try prevent the man they try talk and make it not be say he not talk it, but make it talk. Huh? I be woman, a married woman. I've been here. I don't date this system before I enter. You know understand? So I wish if I thought say they not even marry again. Wetin me I be want? May we resolve this issue. The man feel say okay, he wan stay with the other pikin. The woman feel say okay, according to the man, he don get paper now for Germany. The woman don get paper for France. You dey get? Okay, now make their two settle. Settle no mean say una come pay bride price. According to the woman, they never pay bride price. You dey get? So make no who dey call me abeg dey go. You dey hear me abeg I dey echo?
No, we dey hear you well. We dey hear you well.
All right. So e come be say now make e be say make dem settle. If dem settle, if this brother now I tell am say if una settle, you now go
But
fit
mommy,
call her.
wait. Which one be say never pay tradition, pay bride, but you say you do marry for Nigeria now. Which one they can't do that time?
He never pay.
But
Okay, they
the,
just do marry
mama,
without
the
don't pay
woman
bride
talk at that
price.
time now. The woman, wait, mama, the woman talk am. He say when if you dey say if you sent 100,000 when they go to do when they take go as when the papa come say the money no reach. Say because say they are family, not be person will be say they not see they try. Say now they
I
come
know
try
that
use
I
am.
know they talk all those on the
That
money. I
one
say
talk am.
they never pay bride price. I know what I'm saying.
Okay. We get them. Okay.
Okay, wait, oh, so that they spend all this million, 2 million for papa.
Yeah, but they
Why
say
they
two
do
point
Man,
something million for the marriage and they
they
not pay
know,
bride
they
price.
know, they
Go they
Oh
carry her
God.
for person who not there. So at the end of the day, you see, we could have. I wish we can do it. We'll settle these two people. I said to God, chess, they pay me for winner. We'll settle these two people. The man go fit they call the lady privately, like willingly. They talk to these children. And children, he say no, he no want to. I said, so the woman go fit they call you. According to this guy, and I said the woman never ever call us since when he entered Germany. Now only you want they call the woman. I say make the woman talk to the daughter,
Yeah,
which is very
he even
good.
they call. Why still they say no? Not be like saying no, they call. The things have even
Uh-huh.
funny.
So at the end of the day, I wish we can resolve this to make sure say the woman get access to the daughter, then the man get access to the other children. It could have been better. so that may everybody go in your way. Marriage must not work. I don't know why if African couples separate until the whole world knows that they separate. Enter go. We know the rest.
Mommy, Ero, I send you something for WhatsApp. That hospital part, I send that for you for WhatsApp. Check your WhatsApp, bros. May you show.
No worry, but no worry. I did shot everything for PTF. I did write for micro.
No, I send you something for WhatsApp. That
Mommy, twins, you don't talk for the speaker control.
And so some other video where they there. Now the one when she dey owe me sit down, she go wear makeup. She go dey do her hair. When she dey wear all those wings when women dey wear, she go wear them for my head. Wanna see the good times? I get everything for my Snapchat. If now one log in now,
yeah, but nobody say we not get good relationship, do good past now. May you leave the good past. Let us now find a way. They try find a way when our feed they cooperate.
Zaddy, I don't see.
And again, not just co-parenting. According to this, our brother, he has the property there with the wife family, with the ex-wife family. They get
so.
we don't do. I know they talk to you. Wait.
Yes, so.
The paper there with the ex-wife family. So I was not thinking. After we don't try resolve this issue, this like
the guy agreed to you say the property really there with the people.
Yes. He agreed for live video. Say this man buy hostel, but this man say no be only hostel. No mute.
This guy buy hostel and the hostel dey the hands of him family.
The family.
This guy, he for brotherhood down though. Wallahi.
So
wait now, mommy Chidi, wait, mommy Chidi, wait, now first.
Mona, let her talk, I beg. Mona, let her talk, I beg. Usasi, where you that type? When we get that part, I beg.
No, she's more than 3 hours. No, and you see why I talk. Everybody talk.
Hey, may you let us get that part when she don't dey tell us now. What do you want to put now? Not be waiting she go talk, you will talk put.
You don't dey talk sis now.
Not be the guy. Mama didn't they tell us say they hold the guy property.
One talk.
Osa será o Egia procure the day where your baby mama go call this live video. Na me go beat you fast. No worry.
Mama gwalebu are follow Egia. We are now more topic about it. Today don't pass.
Yeah.
Topic now have a time where.
Well, just
topic girl work by. Now new one, now that baby mama went there in the now the new baby mama, now baby mama will go. Tomorrow again.
Epic so as a man make go about now. This one the man 100% the man they wrong, not be even the woman. Now tomorrow we'll talk about that.
When you concern the wrong, we know they talk about the wrong again. Or SAS wants to start again. You wanted this guy to this guy.
Don't talk about the wrong for now. As when you say settle the matter, matter there, matter.
SAS you wanted this guy to this guy they wrong. As he there for corner, just leave that talk.
He not get relationship with the world, not get to settle now to Allah now would they.
No, we know they settle their relationship. They settle how they wanted to talk to their children, how their children want to talk to each other.
You co-parents in that matter for this place.
So my
but we tell you that was about the property.
Can you hear me? Other the echo.
Yeah, we hear you.
All right. So my major concern is the co-parenting and the property aspect, because it will, if it's true, it will be so bad if this guy can't labor that labor, then the property could deal with the ex-wife family. And you know now, because he know they married the woman again, it will be so easy for the family to say, if at all, it will be so easy for the family to sit down on top. But if we make peace now, everything, we can't do everything amicably. We will not be able to send to. I know the family well. As he called the late today, now the man even follow by chair for my mama recently. Now a person where I know, where I go fit call now say tomorrow when I go give her phone. You dey get. So that kind of thing, we'll go fit talk. So okay, now this man not the marry na sister again. At least he know that una person now. Marriage no work again. Oh yeah, now this man waiting the record when the woman tell us say in property day. I go bring her a day. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give her hand over a Tora. You dey, I don't know what I they get.
Yeah, but mommy 3D. If this guy get property where they the family hand, they don't go fit collect am. As long as I saw say na property where even dey Nigeria.
That one don't go, that one don't go.
No, you not the go.
Now so now they go for the
Zaddy, now what do you believe now be that? That's why they tell us.
No, you not bro, man, I wait, I beg. If me buy property now for person hand for Nigeria, listen, if I buy property with my money for person hand for Nigeria, the person not go collect am. May you wait, may you listen. Now why they use you be this? Get sense. Me buy something for person hand now with my money for Nigeria. If the person collect them, if he leave past 1 month, not be my property. They see the wine. If you leave past 1 month, now they say no, be really die.
No, Zaddy, you they get a wrong.
Zaddy, what about the name?
Then they feel carry person property. That's all they carry person
No,
property.
Zaddy.
Na sleepers.
Muna wait. Zaddy don't understand. Zaddy, make us understand. Are you trying to say that the girl brother will
I will go invite her for meeting when they go for night.
Wait first. Okay, you the try
That's what they do, huh?
this guy. Wait, you the try to say this guy property don't go lost, abi?
Unless they not be him fair buy am. Unless they fair buy am dash them. If they help am buy am, they no go fit say they no go give am. Wetin he go do? He go tell them the family. People go meet the family. People go invite if people go to the family, they say they don't want to bring am, they go carry paper, go give them. They go invite them for meeting. When people when get to the head, they go. They'll go swear for them, case closed, we go house.
Zaddy, make I tell you the truth. May not believe these words. Actually, know that property where they bongos for. If they say they want use peaceful way, get that property, it cannot work. It must cause problem again. I mean,
they don't use peace. This guy don't even use peace get that property. Now let the way when they tell her now go fit to get down. Go. If you go carry them first, go king house. Let me tell you, bro. If you first carry them, go the king of Europe. Since you say the Europe house. The contact for that say not be you buy the thing, and you just say that you buy her. There's not be you buy the thing. They will come introduce them to where people will get forehead. People they use head, they sit down. People will not even get head at all. They see them wine.
Where would therefore, but wait till take pray love, not con judge or give us. If you use your positive pray love, now the woman needs now.
No, now make I talk and say if you buy and dash the woman, now different case. If they help and buy am, they must fit give am na property.
I just tell you, use and play love. Not going to wait till you use and play love.
You see this property of the thing, more than no. As for me, bros, I choose peace. I don't choose chaos.
Be like say you know money.
I know exactly why. So I don't wait. I know wait at the top. So I don't calm down. I be out chima. Nice some woman should be now, bro. Bros, me when they talk to you, where say I choose peace. I know why I choose peace. Bros, I not be small picking where person go come chop me wrong commando. Or you always
Echo, the first and I yourself now very easy way for you to get your things. We don't support bad thing for where we come from. If you report them for our king, they will ask them. So now you're worried.
Bros, you know what I want talking for now. For now, bros, yeah. I don't want to talk about any property. May they carry go, bros, yeah. If time reach when I want my property, bros. Now Nigeria will be talking.
Yeah, I got you. I know
they rose for my team.
They know if you carry your property, that's why your property.
I know they rose for my team. You see me, I realize what I talk and say, make the woman stay far from me. If you reach time when I go still need my property, bros, not be Europe go day or day far they talk and bros. After we don't move from out,
but you not try you. You know your trap.
One line, this guy fuck up. He go the pay for their back.
According to the guy, I don't know allegedly. See, bro, according to him, he's saying not to know himself. If he be say what he doing,
listen to what I tell you, I'm take on her back. Mama Gosta called me last year for France. More than listing.
But bro,
wait till leave all those ones are just excuse we don't get just leave those ones. I don't want to even hear that one. Say now so that they call you, they use you, bro.
My brother, wait
just leave that one you want to.
Me na Esako guy. Wait, I want to echo.
Everybody just I beg wait. And wait, see, you know your matter self even though they tell me because everything you know they even agree to the one we say you fuck up. Everybody just get blamed for all your problem. You must get who you want problem. Wait, let's the guy stop this. Wait, Baba, wait. Baba, you see, Echo, wait, be patient. It will Mujabi, take comment section first.
I be one answer that my name dey the property.
If na
see,
Wait,
madam,
Zaddy, that guy, me and he come from the same place. I want
the way when he just won't put every blame, he just won't put every
Zaddy,
blame.
I hope say, Zaddy, I beg, give me 2 minutes. I want to tell her something. He just they talk say they use this thing for her. They don't use anything for her. You understand? You mumu follow her and love take you. You understand? No, they put everything.
Everything will just be juju now.
You understand? If your spirit know, if you not get weak spirit before, you not believe say something go feel hold you.
That's
You thought they talk, I just they look.
See, this guy just believe say anyone will be a woman, a big man wife.
when we take connect this our brother,
and which is not even bad. That thing when you do not bad, but not your put everything for juju. Go on.
Yeah, may you wait. May I tell you this last one?
Mommy, no verse.
Good evening, sis. I better wait first.